Today, we will quickly review why my choices matter, character, and the decision-making model. So let's remember there are 6 pillars of character. An individual's character represents a consistent pattern of behavior. So trustworthiness is doing what you say you will do, all right, sticking to your word. Respect is treating others the way you want to be treated. Responsibility, being willing to face the consequences of your choices. So everybody makes choices every single day. Are you willing to be responsible for the choices that you make? The 4th one is fairness, acting in an honest way and not taking advantage of others. The 5th one is caring, going above and beyond to help others. The last one is citizenship, how we behave as part of a community. So that community could be whatever you want it to be for you. A community as part of your family, your sports team, Eastview in general. Again, could be whatever you want it to be there. All right, so there are simple choices. Remember, simple choices do not affect your best interests, your community or environment, your safety or safety to others, your health or the health of others, and your reputation or the reputation of others. So deciding which ice cream flavor you're going to have tonight is not going to affect any of those things. So that would be a simple choice. Whichever shoe to tie first. How you're going to tie the shoe, okay? Not something that's going to affect your best interest, the community, the safety, health, or reputation of yourself or others. All right, do whatever you want to do if it is a simple choice. Serious choices are where it's going to affect other people, okay, or yourself. So it could affect your best interests, your community or environment, your safety or the safety of others, your health or the health of others, and your reputation or the reputation of others. Okay, so going to volunteer could definitely affect your community. Okay, bullying could definitely affect your best interest, the community, the safety of others, the health of others, your reputation. Okay, those are serious choices. Smoking, drugs, and alcohol, taking a harder class, okay, could positively benefit you and affect you. So we all like to make our own choices. If you consistently make smart decisions about serious choices, then 4 positive things will happen for you. You'll start to earn people's trust. You'll get to make your own choices more often. You are given more responsibilities, and you get to feel good about yourself. So if we consistently do the right thing, we make these smart decisions about serious choices, okay, you will get all 4 of these things. And that's what everyone wants, right? We all want the freedom to make our own choices, to be given responsibilities, to have people's trust, and to feel good about ourselves. So there's 6 steps in the decision-making model. There's identifying the problem, going through the choices and the options. What are the possible consequences of those choices and options? Your values and your character, and what are you going to decide, and then evaluating your decision.